As a busy lawyer, you know how important it is to stay organised and keep track of all your documents efficiently. MatterDocs is here to help you do just that, and more. Let's dive into how it works, and why MatterDocs is the best choice for your practice. Getting started with MatterDocs is simple. Have you ever wished you could seamlessly jump right into your case documents from the matter itself? With just a click, MatterDocs lets you do just that, bringing everything you need at your fingertips. Wouldn't it be great to have that level of easy access every time? Once you're in the MatterDocs screen, it's as easy as dragging and dropping your files or folders wherever you'd like to see them. Whether you're moving the whole entire folder or just a single document, it's simple as drag and drop onto the folder that you want to see them in. Organising is just the beginning. Within MatterDocs, you can perform a range of file actions within the folders itself. Clicking on the File Actions option at the end gives you a range of different options for you to action things against the documents. Doesn't it sound like a solution built to save you time and effort? Now, we know how frustrating it can be to search through mountains of files. That's why we offer powerful search functionality. Just type what you're looking for up on the top right and get what you're looking for in seconds. Cut down the time spent on searching for that one document you need. When you're ready to create new documents, you can click on the New Document option, and as soon as you've selected your matter, you have the option to select the folder you're creating your document in. By adding in the folder at the creation time, it means you'll save a lot of time trying to find that document later on. Keeping your files organised from the start will prevent those headaches much later. If you need a specific folder for one matter, you can create a new root folder for that particular matter as needed. Your folder management doesn't have to be complicated. With MatterDocs, you can quickly rename or delete folders as needed, as long as there's no files in them, and you don't need clunky file structures. You can have complete flexibility in managing your folders as your cases evolve. Wiseowl lets you create individual folders as needed under the matters. However, if there's a default set of folders that you want and consistency within the firm, you can have a set of default folders that Wiseowl can create by default on all matters. You can have default folders for all matters, or you can have default folders set for particular matter types as well. For example, if you're doing litigation matters, you might want different folders to what's in your criminal matters. We allow for you to set those default types per matter type. Your time is important, so why don't you get back to the business of law while Wiseowl organises your files? And it wouldn't be Wiseowl without a little customization. So you have your own column chooser for your fee earner as you're logged in. You can choose things that are important to you to show, or you can untick things that you don't want to see. And finally, if you want a more advanced search, you can click on the blue book icon to take you to the doc registry, where Wiseowl offers even more functionality and search options. Efficient navigation is key to staying ahead in today's fast-paced legal environment. With all these powerful features, MatterDocs is designed to save you time, keep you organised, and help you stay focused on what really matters, getting back to the business of law. Isn't it time to make your practice more efficient? Let's get started today.